No matter what problem you are facing, never lose hope in Allah. Allah can fix every situation. He can reunite people who have been separated. He can bring peace between family members who are angry with each other. He can heal illnesses and make a way out of difficulties that seem impossible. Allah can create opportunities from places we never expected. When you ask Allah sincerely, He can bless you in ways that leave you amazed. That is why we should always remember His beautiful names and attributes and keep our hearts calm. Ask yourself, has Allah ever abandoned His servants? Look at history. Look at the prophets. Allah always helped them when they needed Him most. Never underestimate the power of Allah. When Allah decides to help someone, things begin to change in ways that no one can imagine. You can talk to people about your problems, but if you want real strength and comfort, turn to Allah. Tell Him everything that is in your heart. A true believer is someone who trusts Allah deeply and always has hope in Him. Like the prayer of Prophet Yunus alayhi salam, we should admit our mistakes and turn back to Allah with humility. We all make wrong decisions sometimes, and those mistakes can lead to difficulties in life. But Allah is merciful and forgiving. At the same time, remember that even the best people were tested. Prophets like Yusuf alayhi salam and Yaqub alayhi salam faced great hardships. Allah tests those whom He loves, so difficulties are not always a punishment. Sometimes they are a means of raising a person's status. One of the greatest lessons from Yaqub alayhi salam is hope. He never gave up hope in Allah. He believed that Allah could bring back what was lost, heal broken relationships, and create solutions where none seemed possible. Allah can open doors that we cannot even imagine. This was the belief of Yaqub alayhi salam, and in the end, Allah reunited him with Yusuf alayhi salam in the most beautiful way. When you hand your worries over to Allah, your heart becomes lighter. You know that your affairs are with the one who is most loyal.
You know that your affairs are with the one who is most loving, the best protector, the most powerful, the one who answers prayers, and the one who opens closed doors. Whenever fear or sadness enters your heart, remember how Allah helped His prophets and righteous servants. Remember how He supported Maryam and many others. Allah's help always comes at the right time. Never think negatively about Allah. Hope is not just sitting and waiting. True hope means trusting Allah while also making an effort. A hopeful person looks for solutions, makes plans, and keeps moving forward. Even when there seems to be nothing left to do, a believer can still make dua, remember Allah, and speak to Him. The person who stops making dua and loses all hope becomes an easy target for shaitan. So keep your connection with Allah strong. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam is a beautiful example of hope and positivity. Despite betrayal, false accusations, and imprisonment, he never became bitter. He remained productive, focused, and committed to his purpose. Even in prison, he continued to call people towards Allah. He never allowed hardship to destroy his character because he trusted that Allah's plan was better than his own. Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam also showed incredible patience. When he lost Yusuf alayhi salam, he said he would practice beautiful patience. Beautiful patience means remaining patient without complaining about Allah's decree. Many people complain openly, while others complain through their actions by moving away from Allah and falling into sins. A believer should remove complaints from the heart and turn to Allah for help.
Yaqub alayhi salam said that he would only complain of his sorrow to Allah. What a powerful lesson. When you need strength, speak to Allah. Pour out your heart to Him. He understands every pain and every tear. Finally, look at the character of Yusuf alayhi salam when his dream came true and his family was reunited. He did not praise himself. Instead, he thanked Allah for everything. He remembered Allah's kindness in every stage of his life. He acknowledged that Allah had rescued him, honored him, and reunited him with his family. What is even more beautiful is that he did not remind his brothers of their mistakes. Scholars mention that he could have spoken about the well into which he was thrown, but he chose not to. He did not want to embarrass his brothers after forgiving them. This teaches us an important lesson. When we forgive someone, we should not keep bringing up their past mistakes. May Allah fill our hearts with hope. May He remove our worries and fears. May He strengthen our trust in Him. May He revive hearts that have become weak and hopeless, just as He brings dead land back to life with rain. May Allah grant us strong faith, complete trust in Him, and sincere love for Him. Amen.